Hey everyone, brand new torch from the NEXTORCH company. This is the P09 and this is like a pre-production version that they've sent to me. Maximum output is 2000 lumens on this. Now this is a multi-light flashlight. Look, here's just a couple of quick specs up on the rear. Check it out. This has a white light, UV light, red and blue LEDs. I quite like this one. This is actually pretty cool. Let's jump into it. My name's John. You're watching Gel Reviews. Please subscribe. This is it inside. There's a whole bunch of things in there. This is the P09. Now I've reviewed a few of their P series flashlights. They are similar form factor to this P09. So with this one, look, just at the head, you'll notice at the strike bezel, it has these window glass breakers. I do like that in a tactical torch. Up on the back, we have a tail cap. Now this is not magnetic, just be aware of that. This feels like a nice solid torch, a tactical torch at that, because this has a 2-meter impact resistance rating. That is exceptionally good impact resistance. It's 1 meter submergible, so fully waterproof. Now maximum lumen rating is 2000 lumens, and look, in all honesty, that is plenty bright. Up on the side, you have a main operating button, and then you've got a function button, and I'll show you all of that. You have battery life indicators up on the side. Let's just open up the battery compartment. I can just feel it just opens up so nice and smooth. There are some flashlights that feel really rough when you try to unscrew it, but check it out. Look how thick the wall is here. That's your 2-meter impact resistance rating right there. Really exceptional stuff. Now this is a 3400 milliampere 18650 battery. And just take note that this has the USB-C charge port up on the side. And I really don't mind that because it means that you are never going to have issues up on the outside of your body, say the silicone flap or some kind of thing that you have to unscrew. It does mean you have to pull it out here, but at least you're never going to have dust or water ingress problems by having it there and charging it like that. Takes a little bit more to take in and out, I guess, but there are trade-offs with everything, aren't there? You'll notice it's got a lanyard looping hole, because it does come with a lanyard. That is pretty much the form factor, but just notice up on the front, you've got your main white light. You also have red light, blue light, and a UV light. So that is what is new with the P09, that it has that UV lighting capability. If you're in law enforcement where you've got a powerful 2000 lumen flashlight here and the down ramps in different brightness settings, if you need a UV light, well, that's there. And then it's got its red and blue light as well. Let's just take a closer look at some of the listed specs on here. You'll see it has strobe, momentary on, medium, low, and high. It's got a UV light, red and blue flashing mode, a red light mode, and blue light. And they are some of your specs up on the bottom, including your size and your weight. Cool. Now the main operating button here has a full press and a half press mode. When we just activate it a little bit, there you have your battery life indicators. Now as I just give it a half press, that is its 2000 lumen brightest setting there, or turbo mode. As I release, then it turns off. So that is excellent for a tactical light. It's nice and easy to find. No tail switch, just side switch right there. So you need turbo mode straight up, just give it a half press. That is exceptional. A full click turns it straight onto turbo and then puts it down into its last remembered state. Now, if we want to change up the brightness settings, they are half presses. That's its low mode, turbo mode, medium mode, low mode, and it cycles like that. The top button here activates its strobe mode. Check this out. This is very unique and different. What do you see there? You might not see it on camera, but there is a blue and a red light flashing. Let's try to show it to you from this angle. Maybe you can see it a little bit there, but what's actually happening is its red and blue lights are flashing. And that's for its strobe. So you can press it and it is remaining on. And that's how that works. Now let's take a look at the other lighting modes. We hold down this mode button. So if you hold that down, now suddenly turns on our UV light. Now that is the UV light mode. If you want to change it, press again. And you've got other beacon modes, and they are your red and blue lights flashing. So that is pretty cool. I call that the police mode. Now we press it again. Now we have our red light. Red light is exceptional to have, like if you need to retain your night vision. And then press it again and it's got a blue light. And to turn it off, we just hold that button again and off it goes. That is exceptionally unique, and I really like those features that are all fitted into this P09. Now, once again, there is no tail switch and it is not magnetic. But something that I do like about this is, yeah, you can sit it down like so. You can sit it up on its head. It won't roll away. Because of the flat sides here, it's not going to roll away on you. Actually, it did roll away there, but you get what I'm saying. You can place it down and it will pretty much stay put, okay? Unless if you do roll it off. That is the P09 from NEXTORCH. What do you think about it? I think it's pretty dang cool. Like, it's not bad at all. It feels nice in the hand, like there's a bit of substance to it, and that's because of its 2-meter impact resistance rating. I love the strike head on there, and more importantly than that, I do like the fact that it's got multiple different lights on here. Look, sure, they could have made a sort of a thumb operated tail switch as well, but you know, they chose to go with the side switch here. And look, some people do prefer this type of a grip rather than some sort of a tactical grip like that. So yes, I still call this a tactical light because you can pretty much just grab it, turn it on without thinking about it. It goes straight up to, you know, your strobe modes. You got straight up turbo. That's its tactical functionality. And then it's got a whole heap of other lights that is easy to operate. Look, I'll leave a link in the description of this video if you're interested in grabbing one or checking out the specs in more detail for yourself. If you're interested in seeing more reviews, check out my catalog of videos on my YouTube channel. I think you'll enjoy what you see. I'll catch you on those videos next.